Hello everyone, welcome to another video by SmartPath Tutoring, GCSE Physics. Today's video is about electromagnetism. A moving charge creates a magnetic field. When a current flows through a wire, a magnetic field is created around the wire. The field is made up of concentric circles perpendicular to the wire, with the wire in the center. You can see this by placing a compass near a wire that is carrying a current. As you move the compass, it will trace the direction of the magnetic field. Changing the direction of the current changes the direction of the magnetic field. Use the right hand thumb rule to work out which way it goes. The strength of the magnetic field produces changes with the current and the distance from the wire. The larger the current through the wire or the closer to the wire you are, the stronger the field is. B solenoid is a coil of wire. You can increase the strength of the magnetic field that a wire produces by wrapping the wire into a coil called a solenoid. This happens because the field lines around each loop of the wire line up with each other. This results in lots of field lines pointing in the same direction that are very close to each other. As you saw on the last page, the closer together field lines are, the stronger the field is. The magnetic field inside a solenoid is strong and uniform. It has the same strength and direction at every point in that region. Outside the coil, the magnetic field is just like the one round a bar magnet. You can increase the field strength of the solenoid even more by putting a block of iron in the center of the coil. The iron core becomes an induced magnet whenever current is flowing. If you stop the current, the magnetic field disappears. A solenoid with an iron core, a magnet whose magnetic field can be turned on and off with an electric current, is called electromagnet. Electromagnets have lots of uses. Magnets you can switch on and off are really useful. They are usually used because they are so quick to turn on and off or because they can create a whirring source like in loudspeakers. Electromagnets are used in some cranes to attract and pick up things made from magnet materials like iron and steel, for example, in scrap yards. Using an electromagnet means the magnet can be switched on when you want to pick stuff up, then switched off when you want to drop it. Electromagnets can also be used with other circuits to act as relays, for example, in electric circuits and motors like this. When the switch in the circuit 1 is closed, it turns on the electromagnet, which attracts the iron contact on the rocker. The rocker pivots and closes the contacts, completing circuit 2 and turning on the motor. Thank you for listening.